Happy birthday to me. I'm getting old. I want to live long, but I don't want to get old.
Yeah guys, so today is Shenseea birthday, October the 1st. You know the vibe. So we are going to talk about where the description of the video say Evo, Buju Banton said something code against Vybz Kartel and bash certain demonic activities and freak out behavior. You see me? But guess what now? You might also have some other people involved in it same way if you listen closely. So subscribe if you're new. This is just a quick intro. You see me? Alright peeps, so make we kick it off with Shenseea, you know, she celebrate her birthday today. You know, so open up on the age, but you don't know 20 look a bit. So make us see what go on.
Happy birthday to me. I'm getting old. I want to live long, but I don't want to get old. No, that ain't it, bro. 20 something.
Alright guys, so you don't know she disclosed that say she can't bother with getting old, but you want to see the gifts and thing same way where she received and from numerous people including her son, and it's a good look.
You say you buy me?
I bought you a Gucci.
What?
Gucci.
Gucci.
Yeah, I didn't even know the word.
Oh my. Raj, what is this?
Gucci, I got you this. Like
What is in it?
Of course, shoes.
So you tell me. So my son buy my Gucci slippers and Gucci shoes. You just see your face. Oh my God.
Alright viewers and subbies, so Buju shine some fire. You see me? The world media have it for say a cartel him attack. It could have been popcorn. Numerous artists due to how him put it said we enemy for the justice system. So Anna like say Ray same way. So everybody get involved if you get me guys. Me I share the video if you don't see it as yet and wanna tell me what you really think about everything. You see me? Cause I no lie.
No choice. Me try. Many ones try. Some people who me love as entertainers to me see them bow out. Go under. Some I show the mark of the beast to my people them. I hold it up in a hand sign and make it them insignia. Because them know them I do. And them want this money so much because of that around the earth. So them I sell everything, even them very soul. Me no come for sell nothing. The Lord bless me from me at 19 because I stay true to the order of what him say. Singers and players of instrument. Me not a bumbuckler entertainer. Me I'm a singer and a player of instrument. Entertainers are clowns. You hear me people? Them only entertain. We don't enter blood clot teen. I perform and sing and chant and dance and skank and make my spirit bear it before you know. And make you say God live. So you know I say, a trick you know. Look what trick you know. On the TV. Look what trick on the government. Look what trick on the police. All them blood clot police I will pay on the taxes. I'm a phone to support me and help the people. I'm saying abuse Jamaicans and beat Jamaicans. That's why they couldn't get no food. It all get worse. It all get worse because you don't know yourself. You dig? You don't know yourself. Yeah? We in our country where we can't get no truth. You turn on the blood clot TV, one narrative them a push. Yet crime is on the rampage and everything I got haywire. You turn on the radio, you can't get no news. All you got something on Instagram and show you what was happening in the world before them start poisoning people and what happened in the world since them start poisoning blood clot people. Me have to move it because them many demons out there. Them don't want to know the truth. Them want to kill as much as possible. Me can't save the whole on the blood clot. But me can chat to cause let not be said that I want to never come to you know. Call me anything you want cause me love you from the heart. And that's why I just send me to come sing my song them and protect me and put when put in me. You understand me? So you can know in this time that a one did come to you. I don't call no blood clot name because I know all of who bow out. I know all of who sell them soul and sell out. Is everyone who say silent? A guy come tell you, say, if you don't have a vaccine or you don't have a blood clot vaccine fucker, you can't come in them restaurant. Learn to cook. You can't go in them this. You have to learn to do things. I realize that you not prepared. You don't know for farm. You can't plant nothing. Most of you can't plant one mama bomber ass clot. You not survive this. You not go and survive this. You think this is what done now? What do you go to the list? And the list, I'm going to them say fake news and take it down. When you say everything on the list, are the Delta them there. How you not go manage? What kind of plan you have for yourself? No, them say when you pitney them go to school, when you come home and you're pitney anymore. The plan is to take the feeling of God, that connection that we have with the Most High away from us. There's nothing in them pies for help on my people. I could have tell you a million blood clot time. But many are going to suffer. And many are going to fall victim. You know me sorry for the children them. Because in truth and reality, you're not protecting them. And they are the saints. Them trick on make think say some big long cocky man where pedophiles are the saints and put them in some purple robe. The children are the saints. You hear me? They have done no wickedness. I want to teach them wickedness and expose them to no nastiness. They are the saints. You not protect them. You not protect them. You not care them go sacrifice them at the altar. Me in Jamaica, yeah. And me I tell you, say people are dead from crime more than this virus, yeah. Every blood clot locked down with them do is a murder spree. Tell me now. So how I go on? We want to help people them, and we want them to rise up and help themselves. The only way we can do it is collectively. You see a little party rise up there themselves. I don't know what they call themselves, but I listen to the brother and he put up something on YouTube and we must make a whole heap of sense. The only issue me have is who's behind him. Because I don't think you can lead my people to belong to the slaughter. Because I see them dry your way, cut your way, and all the abuse we suffer, there was no one to save you from them. So what's going to happen to the people who decide to them go and follow your mandate? You have to understand most of Jamaican people are so well entrenched in them two-party system, they will kill you for them colours. But it is important that the people realize that they have a choice. Because currently you don't. You don't know that you have an alternative. You think Jamaican people are mental. They say, but what me I go do? Then if me not do it, what going to happen to me? Because you lose your faith. You lose hope. You don't believe anymore. You believe more in things that's coming from America in a barrel. And who can send something for you? This is the time that we have been taught about, you know. All the people have grandparents and grandparents and parents will know and truth and know if you grow up pitney. Tell you about a time where man will be forced to have a certain element before he can pursue business, before he can buy food, before he can live a life as a human being, as a human under God bestowed with life. We were all one about that time there, you know. So if a man feels that that time is not gonna come, he make a sad mistake because it's right here, right now. And the ink is dry. The ink is dry. Man, you have a choice. What is your choice? You have to go make one. You cannot sit on the sideline forever. Australia should be a wake-up call to you all. Australia. And what's going on in Australia? Because since the news is not the news anymore, we have to become the news. We have to become informal and educational to dissect things and impart it on the people. Likewise.